So, yesterday someone asked me, hey, what about the restaurants around the business design center? Okay, let us go out now for a walk. So I was just there. There is a surprise coming up. And we are 7 minutes away from business design center. Walking this direction from a possible place where there will be an evening event on September the 1st. One of the many meetings I'm having. So this is London, of course, London, Islington. You'll see stores like these. Let us see. So there is a huge abundance of dineries, restaurants, pubs, colorful places, shops, places for you to sit down.
Yeah, is that how we organised again?
Now, as we are walking down, so this is totally uncut version. So here is a more traditional pub. I promise you, once you come here, you will be lost within the Islington. There are so many places just to go, disappear, and enjoy the coziness of English life. Organized, non-aggressive, beautiful, living happy lives. Of course, if you wish to buy some real estate, that is available here as well. Lunch cafes, more diners.
Rahat edemiyorum dedi, verdi. Şeyde böyle
Lots of beautiful small diners. You don't have to pay anything for the bookings. As you can see, they just keep coming and coming and coming. And the neighborhood is nice as well. People are nice. Here's another pub, the Bowl. The streets are relatively empty. It is peaceful. The air feels nice. The weather usually during the September and August is fine as well. So you can see more places. If you like kebabs, there's a kebab place. Let us keep walking down and see. Buy some fruits. There we go. Then there is a pub on the corner. There is a park. A small park. You can go inside the park, sit on the benches, have your meetings, prepare steaks, Brazilian steakhouse. There you go. Lots and lots of small diners. And this is just one side. Okay. These are sitting with some martinis. Real estate, of course. A more effective Cafe Nero to have very affordable lunches, meetings, more space. Do you like donuts? Of course, we've got them there as well. Tables on the street. As you can see, there is abundance of diners. So those who really like Five Guys, we've got them here as well. Oaxaca. This is an amazing place. Looks brilliant. So much space inside. All the places are different. There's the real space. Here you can see some prices. Okay. Very cool. More and more and more and more and more. They just keep coming. Do you like pizzas? Pizza Express is on the other side as well. Oops. Okay. There's a pub, and this is just one side of Islington. one side of Business Design Center. You will see here is Business Design Center. There are posters. I'm not sure if we'll have the posters yet or not, but I'm going to charge them like tons and tons of money. Of course. We also have more cars. And there are restaurants that just keep coming. Small streets you go in there. Lots and lots and lots of opportunities for you to go for have your food. Okay, and now let us run the second video. So once you are here, so we came from that side. So that's the Business Design Center. There is Hilton, where many of you will be staying. And let us see the place on the other side. There is Angel Station. Angel Station is there. 5-minute walk away. This you will see again. And the pubs continue. And the pubs continue. These are usually actually people, not exactly those people, the people you will see here, but more or less you can feel the neighborhood. So if you are in for English books, bang, there you go. You can get some clothing, again, food, bubble backers, of course. Let's see. Japanese ramen. If you are into shops, bigger shops than Amazon Fresh, you can get yourself relatively cheap Coca-Cola, and glasses, of course. More places, more and more and more and more. Mexican burritos. So what I'm doing now, I'm walking down from Business Design Center to the Angel Underground Station. There is a pub on the other side. There are lots and lots of places for you to have meetings with each other. Peaceful, nice. People are more or less happy. Of course, there are always some preachers. There's a preacher, there's a homeless guy. It doesn't really... Yes, it all comes hand in hand. London is beautiful. London is alive. London is buzzing. People are happy. Just have a look. People are happy. People are not rushing. We do have money here. The business is doing good. People are not rushing. Have a look. So we have banks here. There you go. And there is the Angel Station. More places, yes. And Angel Station. Most of you will come out, will arrive using underground here. I would highly recommend not taking cabs. Use the underground system. It works as it should in the UK. And this is London. So there is Business Design Center. And there is Angel Station.